Still losing leads because no one replied on time? This automation fixes that in real time. Hey everyone, I'm Rahul Joshi, and in this video I'll show you a fully automated system that tracks your leads, checks SLA breaches every 5 minutes, and instantly alerts your team before you lose the deal. Step 1. Every 5 minutes cron trigger. This node runs the workflow every 5 minutes. It ensures SLA checks happen continuously without manual intervention. Step 2. Get rows in Sheet Google Sheets. This node fetches all lead records from the Google Sheet. It pulls details like company name, contact info, status, and timestamps. Step 3. SLA breach check if node. This node checks 2 conditions. Lead status is unreplied. The lead has crossed the 15-minute response SLA. Only leads violating the SLA move forward. Step 4. Prepare alert data code node. This node keeps the lead data unchanged and adds a direct Google Sheets link. The link helps the team quickly open and act on the breached lead. Step 5. Send SLA alert telegram. This node sends a real-time telegram alert. The message includes lead details, SLA status, booking status, and a direct sheet link for immediate action. If you want 0 missed leads and instant SLA alerts, this workflow is exactly what you need. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next automation breakdown.